Different colors of white light travel with different speeds in glass. D. White light has undergone total internal reflection in the prism. So what is the answer to this problem? Now, for you to understand it, you need to understand some technical terms or phenomenon in white light. And here we're talking about dispersion of white light. What is dispersion of white light? We need to know what dispersion is. For us to understand this, we need to know what refraction, diffraction, internal reflection, all those things. So, but the phenomena that goes with this very particular case is that it's what we call dispersion. So we say that a narrow beam of light. What happens to a narrow beam of white light? Can you tell me what does happen? It can actually be split